Hey, welcome class to week 1, and here's the agenda. You're gonna have your first film that goes by the name of Who Were the First Americans, or First People Americans. It really covers and deals with the first people who entered into this continent and the new findings and theories that now we have and use in our academic book based on those new findings. The reading that goes along with this is your chapter 1, and you're gonna have your first reading response that also has a small video that deals with the concept of Aztlán, because the simple fact that this class goes by Chicano Studies 100. The term Chicano really goes back to the myth of Aztlán. That's something that you really need to watch my video lecture that deals with the concept of Aztlán. Then you're going to have another documentary that deals with the Mayans. And I'm concentrating on the Mayans because they happen to be the smartest one among the Mesoamerican people. You also have another short film. You do not have to turn this one in. It's about Teotihuacan. It really complements the reading. I want you to sort of have an idea how amazing this city was, because Teotihuacan, believe it or not, was one of the largest cities on earth at that time. It had a population of 125,000 people. And really, now that we're learning more about Teotihuacanos and the concept of the underworld, we really feel that the beginning of the Dia de los Muertos originated in the city of Teotihuacan. You're also going to have your discussions. You're going to have 2 per week. And the one for this week, which I wanted to get to know you, is please introduce yourself. And the second one deals with ethnocentric views about Mesoamerica. What is ethnocentrism? That really means that the only people that were smart enough to come up with great, beautiful cities were Europeans. And if I have to give you the definition, it means that cultural sophistication can only be accomplished by Europeans. Yes, when Europeans were discovering all these amazing temples in Central America, they honestly thought that Mesoamericans, like the Mayans or the Olmecs, were influenced from outsiders. So I want you to go in and do your discussions. That's all for this week, and I'm looking forward to get to know all of you through the discussions, and I'm also looking forward to read your responses and your film responses. Have a great week. Take care.